The complete list, set, map are going to work on this condition. The concept of list, set, map is going to work on this condition. Listen carefully. Now, I created a class, public class, student, public string name, string name and branch. Now we have created student S1 equal to new student. We created. The moment is said student S1 equal to new student, memory is selected. Memory is selected. Memory is selected for who? S1 dot name. S1 dot name, S1 dot branch. This is what we do. We got here. Like this we create. S1 dot name, S1 dot branch. Memory is allocated and this memory is separated by. We are assuming that this memory is some address called 400. We are assuming that this is an address of 400. We are assuming that this is an address of 400. So memory is allocated. We are assuming that address is 400, which is referred by S1. Now what I am doing? Student S2 equal to. When I say student S2 equal to S1, S2 is also what? Reference variable, which will refer to the reference, not the value. S2 is also what? Reference variable, which means it is going to refer to the reference, not the memory location. When I say now S2 dot name, that means S2 also referring to the same location. S2 is referring to the same location what S1 is referring. S2 is referring to the same location to which S1 is referring. So when I say S2 equal to S1, S2 dot name equal to Kiran, S2 dot branch equal to SR. So S2 is also referring to the location of S1. S1 is a reference variable. S1 is going to refer to any one of the memory. Whichever the memory S1 is referring to the same memory, S2 is also referring. That means S2 dot name equal to Kiran, S2 dot branch equal to SR. Suppose if I say S2 dot name equal to Prasad, then what happened? The memory value is location, we are going to lose it. We could have. Are getting my point here? So S2 and S1 are referring to the same location. Unless I use a new keyword, no memory will be allocated. Only when I use the new keyword, memory will be allocated. The reference of that memory is referred by reference variable. If two variables are referring to the same memory, both of them are referring to the same data. People have followed this point? People have followed this point? So when I say student S3 equal to S1, S3 equal to. So what does it mean? Student S3 is referring to which location? Reference of S2. To whichever the location S2 is referring, to the same location S3 is also referring. Student S4 equal to S1. When I say student S4 equal to S1, what does it mean? Whatever the memory that S1 is referring, the same memory S4 is also referring. So I can refer to the Kiran and SR Nagar by using S1, S2, S3, S4. S1 dot name Kiran, S2 dot name Kiran, S3 dot name Kiran, S4 dot name Kiran, S1 dot branch SR Nagar. S2 dot branch Sanagar, S3 dot branch Sanagar, S4 dot branch Sanagar. People are followed. Right? If all the reference variables are referring to the same location, that means they are referring to the same data. Are you clear about this point? Clear about this point? People are followed? People have followed this point? Right. Now, similarly, let me give you. Next, understand this point. Understand carefully now. Student I allocated a memory. It is an array of elements where I am giving student S1 equal to S1 dot name. Like this we create. Now what I am doing, students of 0 equal to S1. Students of 0 equal to S1. Students of 0 equal to S1. What does it mean? We allocated a memory. Initially, what values are there in the memory? Initially, what values will be there? Null values are there. So when I create an array, like this we create. Index 0, 1. Then what did you create? Student S1 equal to new student. So automatically memory is allocated. Memory is allocated. For what? Name and branch. Right. And this is referred by what? S1 is referring to that memory. Now I told students of 0 equal to students of 0 equal to S1. So whatever the memory that S1 is referring, students of 0 is also referring to what? Same memory. If both of them are referring to the same memory, can I call it like this? Students of 0 dot name. What is the students of 0 dot name? Kiran. Did the people get it? Now I told student S2 equal to S1 means S2 and S1 both are referring to the same data. Now I told students of 0 equal to S1. Students of 0 and S1 both are referring to what? Same location. So both of them are referring to same location. I can say S1 dot name, S1 dot phone number, or I can say students of 0 dot name, students of 0 dot branch. Both are referring to the same location. Again I am creating one more. Student S2 equal to so when I say student S2 equal to new student, memory is allocated. What is the value in the memory? What the data links. This is referred by this. This memory is referred by this. Then I told students of 2 equal to, I told students of 2 equal to, or students of 3 equal to. So students of 3, this is referring to which value? This is referring to, so how can I refer this? Now if I want to refer, I can say S2 dot name, S2 dot 4, or else I can also refer the same data by using what? Students of 3 dot. This is how we create. People have followed this. Students of 3 dot name, students of 3 dot 4, because both are referring to the same. Students of 3 and S2 both are what? Referring to the same data. I told you already. If I create like this, I told S3 and S2 both are referring to the same. Here also, students of 3 and S2 both are referring to the same value. This is how the values are referred using arrays. Array of proper class. Array of proper class. So in the array, what is stored? Reference of the locations are stored. When you take array of proper class, what is stored in the array? It is not the values which are stored in this array. Because you are referring to the array of student proper class, it is not referring to the values, it is referring to the reference of the location. It is referring to what? Reference of the location. People are clear. Now I can also give the same thing like this. Students of, it is a students of 2 is referring to what? Reference location equal to new. When is a new student, what happened? When is a new student? No, but did you give any name for this? You are not given any name. Straight away I told students of 2 equal to in that location refer to this memory. New means memory is selected. New means memory is selected. This memory is straight away stored. What is this memory? Let us say 400. This memory is straight away stored here. We can also assign direct value instead of creating S1, assigning them to students of 2 like that. We can straight away go with the students of 2 equal to new student. Then how do you assign the value? So we have created the value. So here directly I created a student and I refer the value in the students of 2. People are clear. Let me explain one more example. Did the people follow these points? Let me create one more example. Let me create one more example. So I have a proper class. Or else, let us say I have account. I am referring to account. Account ACCS equal to, like this we create. The moment I create array of accounts, how the memory is allocated? Memory is selected. What is this value? Memory for 4 elements is allocated. Yeah. Null. Null. You created here. Like this we create. First I am creating A1 equal to, the moment say A1 equal to new account, memory is allocated. I told A1 dot name equal to, then what happened? Memory is allocated. This memory is referred with the A1. We have name, we have rating, then we got one more account, A2 equal to then one more memory is allocated. Rating equal to 1. Clear any queries? People have followed this basic section. I created two account objects. I created array of account. So what I'm saying now? What I'm saying? Look at the format. I'm giving here ACCS, which is array. In the array, how you refer the elements? Using index. Equal to what does it mean? Whatever the memory that A1 is referring, refer to the same memory in the ACCS of 0. So for your understanding, easy understanding, I will say this memory location is 400. So what is that ACCS of 0 is referring? Right. A1 is referring to the address of 400. So ACCS of 0 is also referring to what address? 400. We are assuming it. Okay. Now next I give. ACCS of 1 equal to I give. Now A2 is referring to, this is A2. It is the location of, let us say, 600. Now ACCS of 1 is referring to what? So both of them are referring to the same value. Both of them are referring to the same address. Address, not value. Address. Both of them are referring to the same address. Let's say next we have. Now I have next one. Look at the point. Account A3 equal to A1. I told account A3 equal to A1. Then I am giving here ACCS of 2 equal to ACCS of 2 equal to A3. What is A3? A1. Whatever the address that A1 is referring, same. So in the ACCS of 2, what is stored now? What is stored? 400 is what? Address of A1. Are you clear? Then I give next one. Account A4 equal to, and I am giving ACCS of 3 equal to. Now ACCS of 3 is referring to what? A4. What is A4? A4 is nothing but address of A2. What is the address of A2? So they are reference variables. So whichever the location they are referring, same value. But in the array, how many elements are there? 4 elements are there. Array contains 4 elements. But there is no question that they should not have duplicates. Yes, they can have duplicate. Okay. At the first position and third position, same elements are there. At the 0 position, second position, same elements are there. There is no question that array cannot have duplicates. Are you getting my point? It is an array of elements. So my point here is, boss, array is internally storing to what? Reference location of the data. Whenever you take array of S object, they are referring to what? Reference location. People have followed this? Right. Now, when you want to use these values, how do you write a for loop? Look at the format. I want to write a for loop. How do you want to write a for loop? Look at the format. For what type of array is this? Array of accounts. So in the array of accounts, what type of elements are stored? It is a group of accounts. One by one account I have to take it. So because it's a group of account, I will take account A. What is the name of the array? ACCS. What is the name of the array? ACCS. Account A, ACCS. Now what is that A referring to? A will refer to the first value. A will refer to what? First location. When you say A, account A, ACCS. A is taking the first value from ACCS. Now I told system.debug A dot. Now this is what is. So A is referring to what? A is nothing what? 400. What is A? 400. So A dot name Wipro. A dot rating hot. Then completed. Once it is completed, what happens? Completed. Remove this A. Remove this A. Give the A to the next one. What is the A now? Now A is referring to what? 600. So A dot name is yes. A dot rating wow. Once it's completed, go to the next. Go to the next step. What is the A? 400. A dot name Wipro. A dot rating hot. What is the next? A is referring to what? 600. A dot name TCS. A dot rating wow. Do the people follow? Do the people follow? So how we are referring? It is an array of account A colon array name. So what that A is doing? Referring to the first element name, first element rating. Go to the second element name, second element rating, third element, fourth element. So what are stored in the array reference? When I say account A is referring to the reference variable. A is referring to that location name, that location rating. I hope you are clear. People have followed this example. Any query on this? Any query on this? This is what we call it as what?